Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. My name is Jeanette and today I'm going to be continuing my closet declutter series. Part 1 was me decluttering my dresses and my skirts. Now today I'm going to be here with part 2 and I'm going to be decluttering all my long sleeve shirts, which is that row up there. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to show you guys kind of how packed everything is, and then I'm going to take everything out, put it on the bed, and then I guess time lapse putting things into piles. Then I'll go through with you guys what I'm keeping and what I'm decluttering, and everything I'm going to be decluttering today will be donated. I would put things on Poshmark, but I don't want them to be sitting like in the bottom of my closet for forever waiting for people to buy them. So instead I'm just going to donate them. So yeah, let me show you guys the stuff. So here we have all my long sleeve shirts. I literally like can't fit anything new in here. My goal, I guess, is to get rid of 15% of these things. I know that's like such a small number, but it's so hard for me to let go of things. And I think because of how many I have, 15% is going to be enough to, you know, really clear up the space. Okay, so here is everything. Let me show you guys my closet now. So now this rack is completely empty and everything that was there is now on my bed. So now I'm going to work on going one by one, figuring out what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to get rid of. First thing, decluttering. I feel like that's a good sign for everything else. When the first thing that you see, you're going to declutter. But we will see. So I went through everything and here we have the pile of things I am going to keep, but I am going to do like one more run through. But first I'm going to go through and show you guys the things I chose to 100% declutter, and then I will see what else I'm going to declutter. So the first thing is this Vans hood, and the reason I chose to declutter this is simply because I really don't wear it as much as I wish I would. So the next thing I'm getting rid of is this shirt. I really love this shirt and I just like other shirts more and haven't worn it recently, so I'm going to declutter this one. Next, this is the only thing I will put on my Poshmark because it is the only thing that still has a tag on, but it is just this spiderweb top. Then I am getting rid of this cropped black shirt just because it's like really itchy when I wear it. Next, I'm getting rid of this white shirt from Shein because it is like all ripped up and ruined. Then I'm getting rid of this shirt. Even though it's really cute, it's not as soft as I like my shirts to be, so I'm all about comfort here. And I want my shirts to be comfortable, and this one just isn't that comfortable. And then same exact thing with this one. I did wear this one a lot back in the day, so it did definitely get its wear and its money worth. But now that I would just rather to wear something more comfortable. And then this was my favorite shirts for a really long time, and honestly it still is, but it's just like really ruined, and when I wear it I feel like people are like, why is she wearing that? It's like all ripped up and like there's like hairs coming all out of it. So this one unfortunately I'm going to say goodbye to. So that was 9 shirts. Now I'm going to go back to this giant pile, do another run through to see what else I can get rid of. Okay, so I went through it again and I got rid of some more things. I know I still have a lot of things, but you know, a little bit is better than nothing. So I'm going to now show you guys the things I decided to part ways with in my second round of going through this. So first I have this workout hoodie from Fabletics. I have bought this recently. It is featured in my things I bought recently haul, I'm pretty sure. And the reason why I want to get rid of this is because it's like way too big. Like I put it on and I put the hood on and like it's like this, and all my boobs are like hanging out. So as much as I really do like this shirt, it's just not practical, especially for working out in. So I'm going to get rid of this one. Next, I'm going to get rid of this cropped hoodie. I wore this a lot when I was in like high school and college. But as of right now, I just haven't worn it in a really long time. And while I love cropped things, this one, like when I put my arms up, it's just a little bit way too cropped. So this one has to go. Next is this shirt. This is a medium, but honestly, it feels like an extra large. And while I love big and baggy things, this is just like way too much. So I'm going to part ways with this one. Next, I'm going to get rid of this. I wore this to work a lot last winter. Honestly, it's really laid back there and I don't have to wear like all black all the time, and this is an extra large and I'm like a size small medium, so I just like don't need this. And next is this what I used to wear to work shirt, but I haven't worn this in a really long time, and so I figured it's time to let go of this one too. So I ended up parting ways with 14 things. So I'm keeping 37 things and I'm parting ways with 14 things. So that means I started off with 51 pairs of shirts. So that means I am decluttering about 27-28% of the long sleeve shirts and hoodies that I had. So I beat my goal of getting rid of 15% of my things, and now I'm going to be putting these things back. But before I do that, I want to show you guys everything that I am getting rid of. So there is the pile of things I am parting ways with. And here is the still big pile of things that I am keeping, but it's definitely smaller than it was before. So even though I got rid of 27%, 14 things of the shirts that I owned, there's still like barely any room for new clothes. And obviously I know that I don't need any more clothes. I'm not looking to buy any new clothes anytime soon. I am so thankful and grateful and appreciative of the things that I do have and that I'm able to have all these things. And if you guys would like a closet tour after all this is done, and when you like to see like all the things that I kept and all the clothes I own, comment that down below and I'll definitely do like a closet tour, what's in my closet type video for you guys. And that was all for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you liked the way I filmed this video and the way I did like the time lapse and stuff. And or just like comment down below how you like to watch your declutters and stuff, like if that makes any sense, so I know what to do to make these declutter videos better, because I have so many declutters coming for you guys. And like I said, the one shirt that I will be putting on my Poshmark, which is always linked down below, it's going to be this spiderweb shirt because it still has the tags. Everything else is going to be donated. So like this video if you liked it. Comment down below what other videos you like to see. And if you're still watching right now, obviously you like this video. I'm doing something right. So you should definitely subscribe to my channel, because there are going to be a lot more videos like this coming your way, which I'm sure you don't want to miss. And don't forget to put on the post notification bell to be notified every single time I do upload a video. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!